Hello everyone, my name is Wisnu with student identity number is 22060035. Today in this video I will be reviewing a book titled English for Presentation. This book is written by T.B. Hisaifa and published by the Ural State University of Railway Transport in 2010. This book is not just an ordinary textbook. It is actually a methodological guide specifically designed for students in the Faculty of Economic and Management, as well as mechatronics students. The goal is to help them improve their presentation skill in English, both in academic setting and in professional environment. So, what does this book cover? Is it useful? Let's dive deeper. This book consists of 64 pages and covers various aspects of giving presentation in English. Broadly speaking, it focuses on four main areas. 1. Structuring an effective presentation. The first section explains how to structure a well-organized presentation. A good presentation typically consists of three main parts. Part 1. Opening. How to start a presentation effectively, including introducing yourself and stating the presentation purpose. 2. Main content. How to present key ideas clearly and logically. 3. Closing. Wrapping up with a strong conclusion and, if necessary, a call to action. The book provides useful praise for each section, such as, "Good morning everyone, today I will be talking about." Let's move on to the next point. And in conclusion, we have discussed Area 2, Speaking Techniques for Clarity and Confidence. A great presentation is not just about content, but also about delivery. This book emphasizes the importance of intonation and articulation, avoiding a monotonous tone to keep the audience engaged. Speaking pitch. Maintaining a moderate speed so the audience can follow easily. Eye contact and body language. Using facial expression and hand gesture effectively. The book includes specific exercises to help students practice pronunciation and intonation in English, such as reading aloud with proper emphasis. The Area 3. Using visual aids in presentation. In today's digital era, presentation often incorporates slides. This book provides several tips on using visual aids effectively, such as using easy-to-read font to avoid decorative font that are hard to read. Avoiding too much text on a single slide, using concise bullet points instead. Choosing contrast color to enhance readability. The book also explains how to integrate chart, image, and table effectively without overwhelming the audience. And the last area is handling question and discussion. At the end of a presentation, a Q&A session usually follows. Many people feel nervous when answering audience question. This book offers technique to handle question effectively, such as repeating the question before answering to ensure clarity. Using polite phrase like, "That's an interesting question, let me explain. I see your point and I would like to add." If you're unsure of the answer, remaining calm by saying, "That's a great question, I will need to check that information and get back to you." This section is particularly useful for those who lack confidence in speaking English. After reading this book, I found several strengths and few weaknesses on this book. The strength is easy to understand language. This book is great for self-study, numerous examples and exercise, allowing reader to practice immediately. 3. Clear structure. Each section is logically arranged. And the weakness is lacks discussion on overcoming presentation anxiety. The psychological aspect is not deeply explored, and the weakness primary focus on academic context with least emphasis on professional setting may not be as relevant for workplace presentation. And the last is the conclusion is English for presentation is a highly beneficial book for students looking to improve their public speaking and presentation skill in English. It is well suited for use in classroom or for self-study. Although it has a few drawbacks, the book provides valuable insight into structuring presentation, improving speech delivery, and handling audience questions. If you want to boost your confidence when presenting in English, this book is a great resource. Okay, thank you for the watching for this review.